Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of s multiplied with tan s to the power of 2 ds. So I will show the technique how to answer. We have tan s to the power of 2 equals to sec s to the power of 2 minus 1. So we will go about the integral, and that's about s multiplied with sec s to the power of 2 minus 1 ds. So we can separate them into two integrals. So we can find the integral in here is about negative s to the power of 2 over 2 plus c. Now we need to find this integral in here. In this situation, we can use about integration by parts. So we have u and dv. U equals to s, so we got about du equals to ds. dv is about sec s to the power of 2 ds. So we can find v is about tan s. Now we can find the value in here. So u multiplied with v, so we have s multiplied with tan s. We have the negative, and we use the integral again. So we have the s multiplied with tan s. And now we have the formula. We have tan s equals to sin s over cosine s. And now we have this one equals to sin s over cosine s. And in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. We put about t equals to cosine s, so we got about dt equals to negative sin s ds. Because we don't have the negative, so we put about the negative next to dt. So we change this integral. We have sin s ds, we change to negative, and we put about the integral dt. This one, that's the cosine s, so we change to t, and we got about negative logarithm base e of absolute value of t plus c, and we change t back to cosine s. And now we can find the value in here. Because we have the negative and we have the negative in here, so we got about s tan s plus logarithm by e of absolute value of cosine s plus c. And now we can combine the result. We put about capital I. So in this one, we just find the result in here. and we have the negative x squared over 2, and we have capital C. And here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.